this is 5A workbook, page 46, question number 8, solving word problems related to for operations. The story goes as this. Mr. To worked on a project for 5 days. His working hours were such that he worked 2 hours more each day than the day before. He took 40 hours to complete the project. How many hours did he work on the last day? Okay, very interesting story. Very hardworking Mr. To. He did it for 5 days, but the working hours are a bit special. Let's take a look at it. Okay, if I'm going to draw one bar for, say, the working hours for 4 days. Okay, so basically you have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Okay, so 5 days. Such that he worked 2 more hours each day compared to the day before. Okay. And then the whole project took 40 hours. And then questions asking for about the last day. Okay. So have that already. 5 days. So let's say if I have the first day as a certain number of hours, not so sure how many, 1 unit hours. So the next day, day 2, by right you have 1 unit. So this is, if he works the same number of hours is 1 unit, 2 hours more than the day before. Okay, so in other words, for this day, he's supposed to have 2 hours more. Okay, so here I write down 2. This little block. Okay, maybe I did 2. Okay, this is the extra hours he put in the effort. 2 hours than the day before. Okay, that means the following day, if I look at it following day, he should have done the same as day 2, same as day 1. You have the 1 hour, but more than the day before. That means day 3 compared to day 2, you should have this is, so day 3 is same as day 2 now, but actually supposedly you have 2 hours more, okay, compared to the day before. So here's another 2 hours that's extra, and that's the first one. Then day 4 same, and this goes on. You recognize that pattern. So I have 2 hours, 2 hours, and then another 2 hours. Okay, 2 more than the day before. And then for day 5, okay, I should write this nicer. Okay, improve on my handwriting. 1, 2, 3, and then another 2 hours. Okay, so that makes it, as you can see. So every day he worked a little bit harder than the day before. So altogether, add up, you have a total of 40 hours. Okay, so you have all these blocks here as 1 unit. The question is asking for the last day, so day 5. Okay, so you need to find that 1 unit. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days, so you have 5 units. So 5 units, you are looking at a total of 40 hours. minus all this. That's 2 hours times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and you have this amount for 5 units. So in other words, I can find 1 unit for the number of hours, and then you get the answer, and then the last day. So day 5. You have the 1 unit plus 1 unit, that's this amount, plus 2 hours times 4. Okay, so you should be able to get that right once you understand the relationship. Okay, so please work that out to yourself. So what do you add up to? That 1 unit, and what's the answer? Don't forget to write down the units, correct units for hours. Okay.